Kobe sneakers are iconic, but behind the hype, countless fakes are being produced in hidden factories. Cheap materials, rushed stitching, mass production. These fakes look convincing at first, at a glance. But once you take a closer look, the truth is easy to spot. Let's compare real versus fake Cobes. On the sole, authentic pairs have sharp traction lines. The fake ones, blurry and uneven. On the side, the real air cushion is firm and perfectly shaped. Counterfeits look soft and poorly molded. On the upper, authentic Cobes used smooth material with tight stitching. Fakes look rough and messy. The problem is, spotting these flaws by the eye isn't always easy. That's why sneakerheads rely on TuSee. Upload your sneakers, get instant legit checks, and shops with confidence. TuSee, your AI sneaker authentication partner.